Good morning. I would like to recommend you some English books for Sant Jordi. They are nice, they are in English, and I think it's always a good way to improve your reading skills in English. Let's gonna start with the first one. This is 1984 by George Orwell. This is a classic. It's a futuristic book. It deserves a good reading. Okay, maybe the level is a little bit difficult with some of you, but I think that maybe for B2 level it's gonna be appropriate. The second one is this one, The Notebook. The Notebook is a love story. You may have seen El Diario de Noah, which is a film, a very famous film in the past, and many people love this type of stories. You know, girl meets a boy, boy meets a girl, and in the end, well, you will see what happens if you read it. Okay, very nice. And last but not least, the last one, my favorite, A Street Cat Named Bob. I recommend it to you, especially if you are animal lovers like me, because it's a book that teaches us the pleasure of living with a cat or with a dog, in this case with a cat, and how this cat Bob changed forever his owner life for good. Okay, so these three are my recommendations, but if you like any other books in English, they are always a good choice. Have a nice Sant Jordi's day. Bye.